What's the meaning of attendance center? Attendance center. Attendance center.
Attendance center. Attendance center. An attendance center is a facility or program designed to provide an alternative to juvenile detention for young offenders who have committed minor offenses. Attendance centers offer a structured environment for participants to attend school or complete community service while also receiving counseling and rehabilitation services. The goal of attendance centers is to provide a positive influence on youth and reduce the likelihood of future criminal activity. By providing an alternative to detention, attendance centers aim to divert young offenders from the juvenile justice system and instead provide them with opportunities to develop positive life skills.